The canister valve mechanism releases a large, fast column of water to create a stronger, more reliable flush. A canister valve lifts straight up to open a full-bore pathway that moves more water quickly through the trapway, which boosts flush power without increasing tank capacity. Installers should seat the canister on a level tank surface and align the lift chain or rod so the valve rises fully and drops without rubbing the rim. That ensures a consistent seal each cycle. Because canister valves use a rigid or molded body instead of a thin rubber flap, they resist mineral buildup at the sealing surface and are easier to clean by wiping or brief soaking with vinegar, reducing maintenance time. If you need to replace the valve, measure the tank diameter and drop height first, so you pick a compatible model that works with your fill valve and flush lever, and test for overflow height before reassembly. For older tanks with irregular outlets, use a universal canister with a flexible gasket that conforms to variations, rather than forcing a rigid fit that can leak. To tune performance, adjust the fill valve to set the tank water level within the manufacturer recommended range and trim the chain to remove slack so the canister lifts fully but does not over-travel. Common problems are poor sealing due to debris or misalignment, which causes slow or partial flushes. Clear mineral deposits with a soft brush and reseat the canister. Then check alignment and chain length. Another frequent issue is a canister that does not lift fully because the lift chain is too short or the lever geometry is wrong. Lengthen the chain by a small amount and reposition the lever arm so the canister achieves full travel when the handle is pressed. The third concern is noise or water hammer from a very fast release. Reduce the fill pressure slightly or add a more gradual fill valve setting so the tank refills more gently, which preserves the canister and the supply plumbing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who offer installations, repairs, and advice about canister valves and other toilet upgrades, and we provide a discussion community where members share real-world experiences and troubleshooting tips. We help contractors find work by making their services visible to nearby homeowners who need reliable mechanical improvements and ongoing maintenance.